we're talking Delhi, we're talking about Isha the model, and Isha has modeled a lot for me in the past. And of course now she's doing very well in a chosen career, so there's no reason why we should not have sort of done something together. This was a perfect opportunity.
जे एक चीज़ बड़ी बढ़िया देखने को मिली, ईशा जहाँ ऑरेंज पहनी है वहीं चुन्नी का कुछ एक दुपट्टा आपने भी लगा रखा है। ये क्या मतलब आपने कैसी जुगलबंदी कर रखी है?
My God, interesting. Okay, anyway, the dupatta is called the pocket square, and it's worn generally by a lot of men. And coordination, well, actually, I never realized that. Thank you for the observation. Not intended, but happened.
JJ, what was the inspiration for your selection?
It was an Indo-Spanish sort of story which was being reeled out, and therefore you would see influences from both cultures in the collection. It's not something which is very contrived Spanish as seen by India. I love India. I'm a very proud Indian, and therefore it's mandatory that all my clothes have that spirit. But I also like to bring other cultures in and infuse them and make something work together.
So you will have a lot of different silhouettes, jackets, short shorts, and
What about them?
elaborate.
Okay, because you just went into your camera. So it's very difficult to talk about clothes. It's a visual medium. So I always say that the proof of the pudding lies in the eating. And here you have to see them, relate to them, and if you like them, then it works. I mean, weave flowery stories, but that's not always the best thing to do, because what you see is an effort in craftsmanship, because that's something I believe in. That's what this country is all about. And hopefully we'll keep that alive for many years to come.
What are your tips?
ईशा, अगर मैं गलत हूँ, हम शक्ल करके कुछ मूवी कर रहे हैं, राइट? तो बिलीव करती हो हम शक्ल में?
ट्विंस नहीं होते क्या?
कोई मतलब बिलीव करती हो और देखना चाहती हो अपने हम शक्ल को?
नहीं, अपने हम शक्ल को नहीं देखना चाहूँगी, बिकॉज मेरे माँ बाप ने मुझे यही बताया अभी तक कि मैं यही की हुई थी एक टाइम पे, बट आई थिंक बहुत शॉकिंग न्यूज़ आएगी अगर कोई मिला, बट ट्विंस होते तो उन्हें हम शक्ल से कहा जाएगा.
मिस्टर विवेक कुमार, there's a question. आपकी एसोसिएशन के बारे में बताइए पूरा एमी वैली.
Ambi Valley is all about creativity, creation.